happens. After it happens, this tends to happen afterwards. Is that clear? What? Does it mean there is a trade at 7 a.m., 7:45, 8 a.m., 8:15? Damn, I don't know what you've been listening to though, but I didn't say that.
You said that there would be, you got numbers there, 1, 2, 3, 4. So
yeah, I didn't say 7:45, 8:15. I said within this time. It doesn't have to be on that timing. The only thing I emphasized on the timing was London Open.
So the 1, 2, 3, 4, those are not 4 separate trades. Those are all the same trade.
They are in the same timing. You will get a trade within 15 minutes before London Open. You could get a trade London Open. You could get a trade within 15 minutes after London Open. You could get a trade afterwards, which is this one.
Or is that 4 separate trades or the same trade?
Those are 4 different trades now. If you're getting a trade, you could get a trade within this. And I talked about another one within this. And then those are 4 different trades.
Yeah, that was the question. That's fine.
Are you sure you understand all I've been saying?
It's a bit confusing, but I guess so.
Alright, let's jump up chat, guys. Alright, so let's look at this chart which I have saved here. If time permits, we'll still go to my MT4 and look at those other charts too that I have there. The chart from way back. Let's see. Now, here, let's follow the story before Frankfurt opens. When you follow the story, was there an inducement before Frankfurt?
Yes.
Where is the inducement? Are you marketplace? Thank you. So yeah, that was the inducement. Can you remove chat? Can you remove that? So you see, there's an inducement before what? Frankfurt Open. Right here. Right? So you follow the story, the last low there, the price took that low, just induced that low here, then it picked up from there. Now, aside from this inducement, we also have this inducement here too, right? Before Frankfurt. Somebody was labeling this. This happened way before this. Talking about inducement before Frankfurt. Look within this level. Follow all the story and look within this level. All of this made us understand that money is being transferred consistently, bearish here. That's why you need to understand that story from there. Am I communicating, people?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that's what all of this is. Now, if price is going to, Frankfurt does what? Mitigates, right? The nearest money. Are we together?
Yep.
Yeah.
Right, Frankfurt does mitigate the nearest money. So if the next mitigation here, I think I will not be asking questions again. I will just be pointing it out straightforward and then push at it. The reason why I was asking questions is because that is how you can get to figure it out yourself, and if you're wrong, I correct it. But the response is slow, and we have so many people on this call. I don't know why it is that way. You guys actually killed my morale for today's session. But I'm just going to put it through because I don't want to repeat the Zoom again. All right, so Frankfurt will either mitigate here or it mitigates here. Just before that, Frankfurt. So then I'm going to look at the internal story for this year. Here, boom, Frankfurt opens, and what happened? Price was here. I will only sell from here because I know that's where the next mitigation will be. Or I'll buy from here, or I'll watch the story that Frankfurt builds. Now, Frankfurt further took out this low here, didn't get to this desired level. However, when it took out that low, what happened though? It gave me fake BRS inducement, and then we had mitigation on mitigation. We had mitigation on mitigation, which means that price needs to what? Regain efficiency. And I have here efficient. I need here to become efficient, then I could now buy Frankfurt. But that failed and price dropped all the way down again. So this still get here. I'm still waiting though because that's still my fake POS, and all of this is still the inducement to still watching. Then Frankfurt finally pushed higher into this level here. So will I sell? Yes, I'll sell.
Yeah.
Right? So then it came here again. Now, if you notice the top-down analysis, as you do it, you protect both money, and you see price is pretty much trapped in efficiency. Sell money, buy money, all efficient. So you don't know if it's going to explode to the upside or it's going to explode to the downside. However, I understand that the high time frame is delivering bearish, but that doesn't mean anything. Just adapt accordingly. Now, price drops. Who buy? Why we buy? Because
It induced.
Mitigation.
Yeah. Exactly. So we buy, and when we buy this guy, I want you to count. This is London here. I want you to count the time before London. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 minutes before London. That buy happened. And we know we're still bearish here. Is this my 1 minute time frame? Now, London, here, you can see this is the candle in London. That's the candle from London. If this is delivering bearish and we have money in this week here, so ask yourself, London open, where is it going to mitigate?
Last where do we get money? Last week with the money.
So London session was supposed to come here to mitigate this and drop, but rather it failed to mitigate. And since it failed to mitigate, then we'll be like, okay, it failed to mitigate, it is going to what? Induce. Now, price is here. It's coming down. 2 minutes after, or just a minute after, what did it do? You have what? The London trade still protecting these highs here. This lows here. Can you see that? So that was the buy. That was your London. That was your London trade. You take partials, and then price drops from there. Price drops. Now, London didn't induce. Sorry, London didn't mitigate, so it will most likely induce. And I look at the chart, I'll be like, okay, where will London most likely induce? It's either going to be what? This high, or where? This low. Because London leading inducement seeks to induce your higher time frame supply or your higher time frame structural points, high or low. Now, price drops from here. And when it takes out this low on this demand, I'll be like, okay, so this guy may be ready to push higher, as this could be, inducing this low, but does it make sense though? No, it doesn't. Why? Because this is the previous high. So the level it's going to induce will most likely not be here. This might just be transactional liquidity grab. Then we have the confluence of mitigation. So I don't have expectation of price. So you see, on this day, as price continues to just adapting, next thing you have transactional liquidity grab, you have fake POS, inducement, mitigation, you buy, sell money, IPA, all of them is protected there. Then price comes here, which is efficient. Then I have what? I have what? Fake POS, inducement, and I sell. Are we together, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Now, this low is taking, I know correction is coming, transactional liquidity, then we're delivering bearish, so those structural points will hold, combining those with what's the name? The IPA and EPA. Now price continues bearish, and you can see regains efficiency. These are all internal structures, so we're letting that be. This is the next demand level. Here we're looking for a reason to buy after this correction, obviously, and price made it to cut this low here. Does not equal, or we didn't catch a reason to buy yet, right? And you see, as price push lower and lower and lower, that this low correction is coming. Then combination of this mitigation, we're waiting for reasons to buy, and we have fake POS, inducement, mitigation. Yeah. Efficient. So what? Buy, delivery still bullish, buy. I believe you all understand those buys, so that's why I don't need to explain it. Else we're just going to waste much time on just a particular chart here. Now, like that, buy, plus the mitigation. Why here? Here is the last high before the main high, right?
Right.
Yes.
Yes.
So, but why here? Is there money here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, there is.
Yes. Good. Is there money here?
Yep.
Oh.
Right on it. 50%.
It's already mitigated.
No.
Thank you. Thank you. Now,
It's been
so you
taken.
see, the money there has been taken already.
So you wouldn't
But
put the
you get
stop loss above there then? Because
Yes,
you know it's
sir.
not going there.
Are we together, guys?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
This side. Mr. Yusuf.
Then price from here drops. End of the trading time. Right there. So successfully have 1 trade, 2 trade, 3 trades, 4 trades, and you understand the framework that led to all of this trade now. So aside from just doing MSU, just understanding the timing and combining it with this should help you become better.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Amazing.
let's see another trading day here. This is London Open. Was there an inducement before London?
Yeah. London or Frankfurt?
Sorry, Frankfurt, rather. Was there an inducement before Frankfurt?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, show me the inducement before Frankfurt. What is Frankfurt price? So you see, Frankfurt price is here. This is Frankfurt price. This is before Frankfurt, so this candle is not part of it. Frankfurt price is here, and you are looking at an inducement here to justify a trade here. Does it make sense? Yeah. Do you guys get the logic now?
Yes, sir.
It's like I want to pick a trade here, and I'm looking at an inducement here to justify that trade.
Okay, right.
So in marking all of this inducement, you're just following the story of the pair. But just before Frankfurt open, what has happened? That's what you're asking yourself. in understanding this story here, you can tell that price was a lower low, lower high, then became efficient. We had delivery bearish all the way here, right? And then while that was delivering bearish, you have fake POS, inducement, mitigation here. This is efficient. Then the flow, the money, sell money is protected. Where is the last sell money? Where is the next mitigation zone here? As price was coming down. Can somebody mark the next mitigation zone? What is child marking though?
Wouldn't that be the elder brother when it breaks the law of that? That the whole
Where?
about to sell.
Which buy to sell? This one?
Well, yeah, this one too though. Right, that breaks the law there.
Which is lower, this or this?
Oh, you know what? I couldn't tell that was a little lower. I see.
And if this is lower, can you see that we have type 2 efficiency here?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I can see that.
So which means that we haven't gotten an inducement just before Frankfurt. However, in delivering price, we understand what price is being, and we know that this is the next possible mitigation level. Is it clear?
Silly guy.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
So now we know that if price